I'm from Bangalore. I was working as a teacher. I worked as a drawing teacher and other things like freelancer. Then I thought I usually I wanted to work as a software engineer, but I could not work because of family situations. Then I started searching for any work, like work from home I can do, like freelancing works. Then I came to know that digital marketing, with digital marketing I can work. Then I searched on internet. I was searching like digital marketing. I was interested like doing LinkedIn ads and all. Then I found Digital Vidya. Uh, I joined here, but I'm very happy with the course. Here, I liked the teaching. Mentors are very nice. They are helpful, and I liked in this most the capstones projects and internships. I got a very good experience, practical experience with that. It's a very good course. Whoever are interested and upskill their things, like they can do digital marketing with from Digital Vidya. It's a very good course, and Digital Vidya is very good. Thank you.
Great. Just a second.